Hi guys, welcome to this new video. Before jumping into today's video, I ran a poll recently. The question is, what is the one thing that is keeping you stuck from launching your very first product on Amazon? What is that one thing? That can be creating a Celestintal account, or that can be finding a right product to sell on Amazon, or that can be finding a reliable manufacturer to manufacture that product for you, or that can be fear of successfully launching it on Amazon. You do not know whether that product is going to be successful, whether you are worrying about launching the product, or that can be any other thing. If you are going to answer this question, what would be your answer? Type it in the chat box. Let me see that, so that it'll be easier for me to make content relevant, videos relevant to your topic, wherever you got stuck. Yeah, but let's look into the poll's result. Here is the result: 63%. Yeah, more than 63% of people are stuck with finding the right product to sell on Amazon. People are worried about what product to choose. Will this product sell, or it is not going to sell, or am I going to get stuck with this product? The only confusion is very only 15% are worried about creating a seller central account, or fear of launching or finding a manufacturer is only 6%. Look at this staggering number: 63% of the people are worried about finding the right product. Yeah, so that's the reason I wanted to create one video every week with three potential product ideas. I'm going to create one video every week with three potential product ideas. You can take it and launch it straight away. Is that simple? So subscribe now so you will not miss out on any of the upcoming product ideas, and also click on that bell icon so that you'll be able to get all the notifications. Let's dive into today's video. Here is what we are going to cover. Here is what I'm going to cover in today's video. I will be quickly sharing you the three product ideas, which is doing at least 5 lakh rupees in revenue every month on Amazon. That is one of the criteria. And I'm also going to show you what are the other criterias, on what basis I have selected these products. Yeah. So here we go. Here is the first product. Product number one: foldable bed. Foldable bed, very simple, normal foldable bed. People use it in the hostels, or if you're going out for a park, or spending time with in the park, or you are staying away, or you wanted to travel, or where you can take this, roll it up and take this. This product is selling for 598 rupees, and this product is selling 3100 plus units every single month on Amazon. Look at the revenue. This particular product is selling 3103 pieces with the price of 598 rupees, with the revenue of 18 lakh 55,000 rupees, 594 rupees every single month on Amazon. 18 lakhs 55,594 rupees every single month on Amazon. One single product for one single seller. This is one of the potential product. You can source it easily. Product number two: outdoor curtain blinds. The foldable, what do you call it? These are made out of bamboo, I believe. Yeah, we use it. We normally use it in the balcony. Yeah. Outdoor curtain blinds. This particular product is selling for 1,299, and it is selling 1,161 pieces every month. Look at their revenue. Look at this product's revenue. It is doing 16 lakh plus 16 lakh 60,000 67,000 rupees every single month on Amazon. This one product, simple, normal, regular product, you will be able to source it locally in India. It is selling for 1,299 rupees. And by the way, this is a tool. I have taken a screenshot of a tool called Helium Den. This fetches the details from Amazon, and it will show you what is each product on Amazon is doing revenue on a monthly basis. Yeah, this is number two. Now let's move on to number three. Number three: hidden camera. It looks like a LED bulb, isn't it? This looks like a LED bulb shaped hidden camera. This is selling for 1,498 rupees, and they are selling around 436 pieces every month. That is close to 15 pieces a day. This product is close to 30 pieces a day. This product is close to 100 pieces a day, 100 orders a day. Yeah, so this is selling for 1,498, and their revenue is 6 lakh 48,000 rupees. This one product every single month on Amazon. Yeah, So these are the three products. You can straight away start finding manufacturer and buy these products, list it on Amazon. You will be able to get tons and tons of sales. So next, let's move on to on what basis I have selected this product. I use a few criterias. The number one criteria is price range. I want you to pick a product that is selling above 500 or more. If you are going to pick a product that is less than 500, you will not be able to left with enough margin, because you need to pay Amazon commission, you need to pay the courier charges, you need to pay the product cost. If you eliminate all these expenses, if you are going to sell a smaller priced item like 100 rupee product or 200 rupee product, you will not be left with enough margin for yourself. That's number one. Number two, monthly sales. Here I have taken a baseline of 5 lakhs or more. Yeah, so all these products are doing 5 lakhs or more in Amazon every single month. That's the second one, monthly revenue. The third one is branding potential. Branding potential meaning there should not be any other existing dominating brand for this kind of product. So if I ask you which brand hidden camera you will buy, you may not have any brand name. Or which brand you will buy, what do you call, the bamboo curtain, you may not have any brand name. Or which brand foldable mat you will buy, no, you will not come out with a brand name. This means these brands have a potential of creating your brand by just applying a label. If you sell these products in your brand name, you will have more control. You can dictate the price, you can have buy box. By building a brand, you are building a real asset that you can pass on to multiple generations to come. Or if you wanted to sell it for a big money down the line, you can do that. Yeah, and few other criteria. These other criteria I will teach in my 3 days Amazon business workshop. If you're interested, you'll be able to find the link somewhere around this. Yeah. So how many product you need to have it in your portfolio to build a successful brand? How many products you need? Normally people think you need to have hundreds of products, 15 products, 50 products, 70 products. No, you just need 3 to 5 products to make 10 lakhs or more per month on Amazon. Yeah, you heard it right. 3 to 5 products. And you're going to launch with only one product. You're going to start with only one product. Yeah, and slowly the first month you will be having one product, you will launch that product, you will get consistent sales, and your second month you're going to launch a second product, and the third month on the third product, and fourth month fourth product. By the end of 6-7 months you should be having 3 to 5 products, each selling 10 to 15 pieces a day. That's about 50 to 75 orders a day. Yeah, that'll be close to a lakh rupees in revenue. 50,000 to lakh rupees in revenue per day. Yeah, that is what you can easily achieve with 3 to 5 products. Now you might be wondering, Aman, where I can learn more about this? But do you have any trainings and all this stuff? Yes, I do have a 3-day Amazon business workshop. It is a 3 days training. I do this normally once in a month. You will be able to find the sign up link in the description or somewhere around this video, where we discuss about how to select product without any paid tools. I used a tool here. Without tools, how you can come out with product idea like this. Yeah, that I will show you how to do that. And finding a reliable supplier, reliable manufacturer. Now you got the product idea, then you need to find a manufacturer. So where do you find a manufacturer? How he can make it in your own brand name? How he can ship it to Amazon warehouse so that we can automate the entire process? You don't need to move your finger even if you get hundreds of orders, because we are going to use Amazon's fulfillment center, right? So that is what we are going to cover in day 2. On day 3, I'm going to teach you how to launch your product on Amazon. As soon as your product goes live on Amazon, how to get orders. That is what we are going to cover on day 3. Every day, all these 3 days, we will have live Q&A session. I'll be able to answer all your questions. When you're going through this list of products and going through these procedures and these processes, you will get hundreds of questions. Do not need to worry. Post your question below in this comment section or jump onto this training and I will be able to answer all your questions. Yeah. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video with 3 new great products to launch on Amazon. See you soon.